So what is Python? Like its name, it is the most powerful programming language in today's time. Python is the most fastest growing language in the world. So basically, Python is open source, interpreted, higher level and general purpose programming language. Was released in 1991. So what can we do with the Python? Python is used for web development, desktop application, mobile application, game development, web scraping and system scripting. In web development, there are many frameworks available. Among them, Django, Flask, Tornado, Web2Py are oftenly used by the developers. Likewise, in desktop application, Tkinter, WXPython, PyQt are famous for desktop application and also for GUI development, graphic user interface development. In a mobile application, Kiwi and Beware famous framework for mobile application and Pygame library for game development. With the use of Python, we can easily get information and collect the data from website or internet through web scraping techniques by using Python. To do this task, Python has a inbuilt libraries and packages such as Beautiful Soup, Mechanical Soup, Selenium, ScrapPy and many more. The cool thing is that Python is majorly used in the most advanced technical fields including artificial intelligence, automated system, data science, big data, computer graphics and many more. Here, Scikit-learn, PyTorch, TensorFlow, Keras are famous libraries used for machine learning, deep learning and AI tasks. Python is also very popular for system scripting and automation system. Here, Python is extremely famous for data science field. As we all know that data science is the fastest growing field for the last few years. Many of the data scientists and data analytics are preferred to use Python. It has a lots of libraries, packages are available such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. It is used for statistical tasks, data visualization, data manipulation. Python is also useful for handling big data. There are many inbuilt libraries such as Hadoop, Apache Spark, Dask in the Python. Likewise, it is also popular in the image processing and graphic user interface applications. OpenCV is the one of the most famous for image filtering, computer vision technique, image manipulating. So I would say that the Python is useful almost every disciplinary areas. So next one is why Python is so popular and why it is the first choice of many of the developers. The first and foremost reason is that Python is extremely easy to use since it is closely resembled to an English language. For example, you can see here, if you want to print hello world, then in a C language you have to write this many of lines. Likewise, in a Java and JavaScript you have to write many of lines of code. But in a Python, you just need to write one line of code by using print function. Another reason is that Python is cross-platform programming language. It can be used in Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Raspberry Pi, Arduino Uno and many other operating systems. It shows that it is compatible with the all operating systems. Next one is that Python has a huge community and internet resources. There are many platforms including Stack Overflow, GitHub, Python forums, Q&A websites and many other blogger sites, articles are available for clearing your doubts. Next reason is that Python has a numerous libraries and framework which makes work easy, less line of codes and save a lots of time. As we have seen earlier that it has many libraries and framework for every field and this is the major advantage of programmers. Last but not the least, Python has a higher demand in IT job market with a high salary as compared to other programming language. You can see here this graph shows that it is rapidly growing in last 10 years. Many of the reputed companies like Google, Dropbox, Instagram, IBM, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Spotify, Netflix also use Python for programming.